Michelle from Team Alexis, and you are watching the Hog Zone!
Watching the Hog Zone.
Well, it's on now, boys, because this is Hog Zone. We're deep East Texas. Came up to shoot some hogs, do a little fishing. I got Mr. Yours Truly with me. You know who he is, Mr. Bucksnort. He says he's going to put me on the pigs. I don't know about that, but we're going to see what happens. We looked at some game cams about 10 o'clock. They've been rolling out, and everything's set up right. So if they come out, hopefully I'll be cleaning a pig at midnight. We'll see what happens. So y'all stay tuned. I know you liking my boots, because they're back.
Taj Mahal of all hog blinds. We looked at the game cam, and there's plenty of hogs coming, but they're coming right around 10 o'clock at night, and it is 7:40, so we got a little wait. Hog Zone, you ready?
I'm always ready.
Let's do this.
He works cheap, y'all. Very cheap. See, I got that whole intro and I didn't have to do a dang thing.
Let me make sure I record it though.
Yeah, I hope you can cord. Well, once again, y'all, humidity's about 95%. I'm already starting to sweat, but at least it ain't 100 degrees. But let's see if these pigs come out. And I can't guarantee the video quality because it's going to be very dark. So it's going to be green lights on them. So you'll probably be seeing just some shadows hit the ground if they come out. Y'all check it out. We hung out there as long as we could. And we were watching the radar and stuff, and lightning came in, and so we didn't think it was prudent to be up in a tree stand. It's in a tree, and it's all metal. So we thought with the lightning, might be time to get back to the house, so that's what we did. Didn't want to find two fried guys sitting in a deer stand in the morning. So just the way it goes sometimes. If that lightning didn't come, we would have stuck it out, but not with that lightning. Well, y'all, the weather finally broke, so we're going to go out there and fish this lake. Me and Bucksnort got a little bit of a bet going on, so we're going to see what happens. Gonna be doing the action hat thing. Alright y'all, here's the fishing skinny on this. He's got 6, I got 4, but I'm coming on strong. So we're gonna go back out on that lake and see if we can get some good fishing action.
I thought you had 3.
I had 4. He's been positioning the boat too, so that he has the best casting angle. But I won't be talking about all that. I won't be making excuses. Never do. Never do. But anyway, we're going to go fishing. Hopefully we'll catch a couple with size. They've been all real small so far, but hey, we're still having a good time.
Yes, we are.
Well, you can say, well, we had a little bit. Yeah, that's fine.
All right, y'all. As you can see, we fished this whole lake today, and you'll see it on the Hog Zone and Texas Bucksnort on YouTube. Guaranteed. Now, we fished all day, and I just have to admit that Texas Bucksnort is the best fisherman probably in all of Texas. I mean, he smoked me all over this lake. I mean, probably catching 2 fish to my 1. So all I can say is that he is, without a doubt, one of the best fishermen I've ever seen in my life in Texas. Now, I don't know about Louisiana, but, you know, Texas, he's got it covered, and that's why he's Texas Bucksnort. And I'm only the Hog Zone, and I can't catch a damn fish. But I did do pretty good. I did catch 1 decent one. So anyway, it's Hog Zone! And check out Texas Bucksnort, because he is just loving this right now. Ha! Man, I had to suck it up.
Man knows the truth.
Y'all, check this out. You seeing this grill? You see these grills? Now, you notice the legs? So that's what you can do with your tripods. You make them into a grill. The ultimate grill for some primo steaks. All right, y'all. About to head out. It's about 7:30. And we're going to sit out there till about 11. Last night we had to get out of the stand because of the lightning. And lo and behold, we checked the game cam pictures. And 15 minutes later, a hog showed up. So me and Danny are going to split up tonight. He's going to be in that blind that we were in last night. And I'm going to go off to a tripod. And they're still showing that they're coming in, you know, 10 to 11 o'clock. So weather's been good today. So hopefully tonight will be the night. We'll see what happens. A little out of breath. We just ate some Fred Flintstone steaks, potatoes. So if I can stay awake, we're going to be good. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get a good kill shot. And we got those green lights. So I'm looking forward to getting some huevos rancheros cojones for y'all.
In other words, hog nuts.
Yeah, yeah. They said they were going to try them. Yeah. I'm not getting much cooperation on that field right there. Anyway, let's go get it on. All right, y'all. Bucksnort was complaining about my bright green shirt. You know, I guess he just doesn't like leprechauns, but that's okay. So I went ahead and put on my camo shirt. 75-yard shot. It's about 7:45. Game cam said they're coming out about 10, so I'm hoping one comes out and we put him on the ground because I need some meat in the cooler. So let's see what happens. It's going to be a late night clean job though, which kind of sucks. The mosquitoes are bad. Very bad. pretty sure I hit him good. He ran across under the feeder and went up the hill, and then I heard him fall. I'm pretty sure he's in there. So I think that was him just falling over dead and falling down the hill. That's what I'm hoping. I don't know what's in that brush. I got a cheesy little Chinese-made flashlight. Not going in there like this. All right, y'all, check this out. Got blood right here. I just rolled up. And then check this out. So I was coming up here. That hog ran straight up this hill. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty dark out here. Anyway, ran up this hill and then he turned. And that, my friends, there he is. He's right there. Big boar down. Big boar down. Look at the size of that sucker. Hell yeah, hog zone, baby. I ain't even got a gun on me. Probably not the smartest thing. Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo. Big boar down, baby. Yeah, it's probably about a 180. Whew. Man, it's hard to shoot a black pig with black crosshairs at night, let me tell you. And he was in front of the light, not in back of it. Oh, huevos rancheros cojones. Danny and Hogshead won't eat them. Look at the size of that sucker. Big boar down, baby. Okay, I'm gonna go get Danny, because at least he can do is help me load this sucker. I probably could lift him by myself, you know, because that's how I roll, but oh, he's a wet mess. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Look at that. Alright, let me go get him. That's a pig. And that's right where I hit him. Went in right there. Heart shot. Whew. That's how we do it. Yeah, he wasn't gonna make it up that hill. He tried, but he sure the hell didn't make it. I love it. Alright, let me go get Danny.
That's a good thing, man. Dude, that might not be 108 pounds. What do you think? Probably 200 pounds. Oh, that's got to be 220 now. How we gonna lift it? I don't know. Oh man, we're gonna have to get nasty. Gonna have to get nasty, y'all. Blood trail behind the That is one big boar, and this is the Hog Zone! The Hog Zone! The Hog Zone! The Hog Zone! And that's how we kill them. This is Hog Zone! Hog Zone! Hog Zone! Hog Zone! And that's how we kill them.
You are watching the Hog Zone.